Hello guys, good morning. So bali, nandito na naman kami sa Vargas kasi review na naman po namin ngayon. Ayan. Yan po ngayon si Sir. Siya po yung magre-review sa amin. Si Sir, ano pangalan? Ayan guys, i-video natin mamaya kung ano pangalan ni Sir pag nag-intro siya. Sir, gwapo daw. Char. Ayan guys, si Sir. Ayan, ang dami namin ngayon guys. Ang dami namin ngayon.
Okay, ilan tayo lahat? Mas madami nga kahapon. Ilan tayo kahapon? 11, 12. Oh, sorry. Kasi kahapon, yung mga ano ang kasama ko, yung mga major na yun, hindi criminology. Kasi, pinagtripan ko sila kahapon. Okay, bakit criminology yung yung course? Ito pinag-introduce mo. Nervous sila. Okay, sorry. Parang na-dismaya ko na tanggal ako ng mask. Yun na yun. Okay, hindi yan yung ano natin. Nag-testing lang ako kung kasya. Hindi yan. Pang CS yan, pang laptop ko. Tinesting ko lang yung ilaw ng ano.
Ayan guys, yan si Sir. Hintayin natin hanggang mag-intro.
Okay, before we start, Bluetooth muna ako.
Ano?
Sir Junior, ano ang pangalan ng speaker natin? Yung speaker na yun, hindi ako yung speaker.
Lapit na lapit, oh.
Ito ba? Flat yun.
Oh. I-vlog ko to. Ibili na vlog ko to. Hindi ka nanonood sa content ko? I-vlog ko na naman to. For content. Try mo kayo yung pang-haplas.
Ako na yung ganun. Variety of prayers. Sa teaching, may variety of instruction, di ba? Para hindi laging may sometimes, pag ibang lecture, may pina-flash na CBRC prayer. Yun lang. Okay. Baka na-try nyo online. Nagsimula na ba MS Teams si Sir Dino? May, ano na? Wala pa? Okay. Ano mga ganun online? Okay. It's just hitting 3 birds with 1 stone. You're standing, so when you're exercising, because you're standing, it will set your mood. Because throughout the day, you will be sitting, and this will get tired. And another stone and another bird, you are having a prayer. And then, your mood is being relaxed, diba? Which majors. Yes, and yun, right? Suggestopedia. Because sometimes music can help us relax. Okay? Alright. So, ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba tayo? Mag-let?
Ready ka na?
Yes? O sige, mag-let na tayo bukas. Okay. Hindi, ganyan dapat yung spirit, di ba? Ganyan dapat. Okay. Pero I think, am I the second lecturer, if I'm not mistaken? Okay. Alright. So, originally our schedule was supposed to be on Friday or Thursday. So I graduated at the University of the Cordilleras, but I was a homegrown Benguet State University student. Did you like that? Did you Baguio?
Siya daw si Sir Walter
Yeah.
D. Jensen.
And I passed the licensure examination for teachers 2022, September na batch. Yes, okay. So, I'm a C teacher alumnus and I'm a 4-piece scholar. Yeah, hindi. Alam mo yung 4-piece? Di ba? Kantawid kami ng Filipino program. Meron kasi from CBI, siya ko lang yung Filipino. From CBRC Apayao, kasi na-challenge ako sa'yo. Nag-lecture lang mo lang to, hindi. Alright, so from CBRC Apayao, we would like to greet all the fathers from around the world. Okay. Thank you for that. Yeah. And yes, sir, from CBRC Apayao, we would like to greet all the fathers from all around the world. Aid. Ano siya aid? I want to determine here. We would like to greet everyone. From CBRC Apayao. Kasi ano ba? Shock tas itakwang ka niya. Gano'n? Ay, dito ya. Nakahala ka mga photogenic. Conscious. Ayan. From CBRC Apayao, we would like to greet all the fathers in the world.
Happy
happy. Ay, tas ito ulit yung Father's Day. Physical barrier and psychological barrier. From CBRC Apayao, we would like to greet all the fathers in the world.
Happy Father's Day!
That's right. Napigpinsapan ka no. Okay, so. Alright. Tas kawat. Okay.
Char.
Alright. Ha? Sumangwa ejay. Alright. Ano purposeful dito kasi. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, go! From CBRC Apayao, we would like to greet all the fathers in the world,
Happy Father's Day!
Pati siya na
Yung kaway ng pang-universe.
Okay. Alright. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go! From CBRC Apayao, we would like to greet all the fathers in the world,
Happy Father's Day!
Okay, di nga yun?
Hello guys, magandang hapon. Subali pa uwi na po kami. Kasi may nakita akong rainbow. Ayun o, ang cute. There's a rainbow guys. So, yun lang. Bye! Gabi no sunshine. Ayan yung mga kasama namin guys na nag-review. Pauwi na rin po sila. Ako na lang yata yung maiiwan dito. Wala pa si Papa. Ayan. So, antayin natin guys na dumating si Papa. And I'll be okay. Rain, rain.